Hi, my name is Tracy Geraghty and I am a transformative coach. And I recently attended one of Martha's workshops, Global Online Stars, and I really enjoyed it. It was a lovely evening. There was a great bunch of women in the room. There was fantastic energy and we had a lot of laughs, but we also had a lot of insights. And there was a lot of heart. I think that's the way I would describe it. There was a lot of heart in the workshop and it came from a really lovely place. And I certainly got a lot of clarity from the evening, in particular about what it is that I wanted to do for 2020, what was my business plan. So if you are thinking of any of the upcoming events, I would definitely highly recommend the workshop. And thank you, Martha. Thank you for a lovely evening. And I look forward to attending more workshops in the future. Bye.